Elastic.
I could love you every day.
Say fame.
I could love you every day. I love you now. Every I better feel. Baby girl, you be criminal. See the way your love stole me. They do me,
I just feel the new sound every time you come around. You got me in the mood.
Oh yeah.
I'm a bad man. Pull up on the scene like Wagwan. You know. See enough gal in the club, man. Got butters of the Henny color weed, man. I need one. Looking for a real one. She got a big ass and a slim waist. Make a brother man one get a taste. Straight to the crib, it's a happy day. Okay, you know they try for the guy, know they whine for me. Your mama said gone, don't they ask of me, boy you to the rush. Hold up, know they fun for me. Bring that body, make her know they dog for me. You know
when I'm pull that thing on me, yeah.
Are you ready for the next person? Okay, single guy coming. I'm still shaking. It was a mistake. Oh, he has given you the balloon back. Oh. A romantic man. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
People didn't they say?
I'm Just J, my stage name.
Okay. What's your Instagram handle?
I'm of Just J. I'm an artist, I'm a graphic designer, I'm a videographer, and I'm into content creation at the same time.
Oh, okay. Please clap for him. Clap for me. He's this long. Clap for him. Okay. How old are you?
I'm 22.
22.
Sure.
What's your type of woman?
I don't actually have a type. Everything goes by. It's life.
It's life.
God gives.
Okay. God. Okay. So what are you bringing on the table?
I will not say I am capable, but I am able.
You won't say you are capable,
but I'm able. Anything.
Okay. Please give the mic to Mrs. Brown. Why you pop your balloon?
No, the guy, not be say he no good though, he good. But he's too black.
He's too black like
and short. Because I'm short, I don't need guy that's short. I need like average. Not too tall, not too short.
Not too tall.
Not too dark.
He's too dark for you. What's your type of man? You know the answer. You don't have a type or you know the answer. Okay, sweetheart. Why did you pop your balloon?
He's a kid.
He's a kid?
Yeah.
How old are you?
22.
And he's a kid?
To me, to everybody, he's a kid.
How old do you want your man? How old now?
He's too small for me. No, because of mama and neba.
Yeah!
He's too small. First thing, his jeans is faded. It is finished. I'm not interested.
What would you do to my body naturally?
It's just a jeans, just normal jeans.
Just normal.
Normal 20 cedis jeans, fine. Normal 20 cedis jeans.
It's your
20 Ghana. Normal 20 cedis jeans. Auntie, we say, because of mama and neba. You understand? 5 cedis stop. Wow. Full. Oh, forget. 5.
How much top on the cost?
Really? 5 cities. It's not even up to that 5 cities that you mentioned. Actually, I'm an artist. I have to dress well.
Okay, to top on the
you can't carve. It's 100 cities, so you can't
100 cities.
100 cities. I don't buy my tops, especially.
My number of the age, my 100 cities. A top tips. Shut up.
Oh.
Yeah.
You see, Auntie. He's a baby.
He's a baby for you.
He's a baby. I'm
but who rate of like who range of like age be na ope.
Age be na me pay. Asin, so whom you are virgin say me. My body say me.
That no homa me shake kakama me. Hey, I kese.
Cameraman, zoom this out so Charlie be asked This is me Ballon.
It's us, Obeji. Judy Obeji.
We man we go handle this thing.
Change
So
Judy.
the age in here say, oh, pay 35, 40.
Roughly, me say like 3 years older than me.
3 years older than you.
Yeah.
That means he is a kid for you.
He is a kid for me.
Okay. The word kid, don't use that.
Usha Yedin.
You also Uswa.
Fanisa.
So Charlie, you know
The jeans is.
Since in the car put you off.
Yeah, me shoe crossing me original.
Okay.
The shoe, I'll take it like that, sake of basso.
Basso.
Yeah.
Shoe neighbor.
Let me come and pay biako shoe me now. Pride of my boy into no.
Because I made
Okay. Me pacho.
And open a correct
Sanka ni balu no honor. According to Bekofi.
Ona.
Other day ni wig in na ampa na ni dress na ampa day.
Oh, nothing will feel make a kid can go with the bab. She no be. Actually, from the start, I said I take everything, but
Yeah.
Charlie,
She's out or no
she's
day.
out. She's not disrespected me. She's someone who cannot how will I say it understand a man because I'm a hustler, Charlie. I be artist. It will be easy.
No one saying you.
You get yeah.
No one saying you. No one saying you.
I sing. I was
So nyomba akoma me.
I can't sing a song.
So nyomba my as an artist, baby abekobia ukwo stay make us
Yes, so nyumba akoma me.
Baby, this your love, ready mesmerize me. All I want is just you beside me.
Hey, mommy, for me time.
I don't want to see anybody by your side.
Aww.
It's funny, I don't know that your love, they make man praise. Oh, and I feel fight for you, and I feel die for you, yeah. Your sexy body, your bouncy body, they making man go crazy.
Okay, clap for him. What you know? It is so boys we won't pay.
poor voice.
He shock you.
Thank you. Please give it to Madam Blue for me, Madam Blue.
Extra poor.
Can she sing for me? Let me see.
I'm not a musician. I'm a beautician. If you sit, I can beautify you. I can't sing.
Hello. Do you know the stress musicians take?
It's none of my damn business. It's your talent.
Bro.
That's what you want, and this what I want. So I don't give a fuck.
You can't tell me a poor voice.
Yeah, to me it's a poor voice. It's a poor voice to me. Maybe my colleagues, I don't know for them, but me it's a poor voice.
In the next feature.
It's none of my damn business. I'm not going to marry a musician.
Bro.
I'll marry the guy that just came. Coco Vanilla Queen's
the one you sack away.
Yes, I like him like that. Can't take another.
What the farmer, Mr. Blue? Hello, yes, hello. Darling. Your name again?
Jessica.
Your name again?
Jessica.
Jessica, why did you pop your balloon for this? Oh.
Well, he's looking good by the connection is not going. It's not picking. Yeah.
It's not connecting.
Yeah.
The connection is not connecting. How is it not connecting? How?
Then, well.
Like the one I said was cut short.
Well, for now I can't say it by. The vibe is not.
The vibe is not there.
Yeah.
So I can't balu on. I can't. We will be all the neighborhood here.
She's a nice girl, Charlie.
Jessica, 10 in all show.
Oh. Yeah. She's a match. I like tall girls.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, I like tall girls. I like a little bit my side because that's what I love. But as I said previously, I don't have a match. I go for anything, just the character.
The character.
And
it is a okay. Please, someone wants a balloon back. Oh, you give the balloon to you. You brought balloons. Ow.
I don't want one balloon because I get one person with.
Yeah.
I forgive one balloon too. No, not you. Don't pop the balloon that direct. Oh, Charlie, don't do me your.
Will you sing a song for Jessica? Will you sing a song for her?
For who is Jessica again? Jessica.
The one with the mic.
Sure. Don't worry. I'll write a song in my album for you. Don't worry.
So you can't even give 2 lines of song for Jessica.
2 lines.
Let's have it.
Say I'm not loose. I'm not capping. Your loving back they making man falling.
Okay. Do you want the balu back or still no? Still no. Okay. So please give the mic to this lady for me. Hello, madam. Why did you pop the balloon for this sweet gentleman?
Oh, my heart.
The way he's singing melts people's hearts.
I don't like him. Like
You don't like him.
I beg, I don't want one balloon. I don't want one balloon.
Why don't you
I don't
like
want
him?
one balloon, Charlie.
It's not like he's not my spec.
He's
like
not
me
your
and
spec.
Pen,
Oh, okay, no. You just don't like him.
Yeah.
Osanka.
But he's good, like
He's good.
Obuadi and all
Obuadi,
that.
But on your spec. Aka say, the balloon one who anka, wouldn't be coffee akuchi
I will
amami.
give her a balloon so that we'll go. But you let me give her balloon, please.
Oh, child, please, I saw you. With the baby.
No, I won't give her balloon.
I saw you're interested in the baby.
Can you tell
Oh,
her?
yeah, no,
can
buy
you-
the balloon
can
now.
you tell her to stop speaking? She's interrupting.
My auntie, what
I'm trying to be very polite and Charlie.
Matthias, what they
I know
hear.
him.
Also, on the balloon, dear, pay. Well, I then they
Oh,
want to want to.
Charlie, oh rockstar, you.
Also, just on your respect, just a baby, I need one own pay. I need way now about I am the top or no. It is my papa for your sake.
I said me baby about him, but it's like
There's no connection.
Yeah. Connection.
I beg give it to auntie.
People connect the connection.
Hello, my darling. Your name, I always forget. What's your name?
Blessing.
Blessing, why did you pop your balloon for this cute uncle?
But I like the song she sang, yes, but it's not my spec.
He's not your spec. What's your spec? I've not asked you. What's your spec? Yeah? You can't tell me your spec. I'll go and look for your spec for you. Oh. You still can't tell me your spec. He's just not your spec.
Sure. She's my type.
She's your type.
She's my type. I told you everything goes.
Relax,
See,
Madam Brown.
Her height, your height, everything is good. Your height, your stature, everything is good. The
But
beauty
she's not
is
your
there.
type.
Everybody is beauty. But
Can you dance?
Actually.
Can you dance? Sing 3 lines for him. She can dance. Me today, you should tell you. Don't finish. Sing for her. You know we are promoting ourselves now, so you have to let people hear your voice.
Let me give her this line.
Yeah.
You got
Please
that
dance
body
for
shake.
me.
Turn around, make her see the body shake.
Oh.
I said, see looking face. I realize that this girl is my real taste. Yeah. Shawty make you come to my place. On top my D, you go scream 1, 2, 6. Oh baby, give me space. It's not too late to make you my mistakes. Yeah.
Where the balloon? Where the balloon? Where the balloon? Where the balloon? In fact, I'll come back to you there. Give it to Ekia. Let me talk to Ekia. Ekia. Aden, and I'll pay balloon, man.
Hold your pins.
Gentlemen, can you keep quiet for me to talk? Okay. So, he's actually not my spec.
Okay.
He said he's 22. Okay, I'm in my early 20s. So, he's a kid. He's not my type of guy. And the dressing is a red flag for me.
Is it the jeans?
Like the jeans is red flag.
The what about the top?
The top no car is in your pocket.
I say 100 cedis or what? So expensive. 100 cedis.
100 cedis is expensive to him. Oh, okay, I see. He said the 100 cedis is expensive to him.
What top boy and how much will we spend?
You see, I believe in expensive things.
Run.
You get it? Because when you buy expensive things, you know, say, oh, the man would be car, the person appreciates it. But then, tells I did cheap now the more. I see when cheap things. When you see cheap things, you can easily identify cheap things. You get it? But if the top was to be expensive, so like sweetheart, no hard feelings, and look at and the I don't know if it's a scarf or something on the head, like it's a no, it's a red flag.
The voice in the croissant show.
That be a movie mimpo. No voice no like ne voice ne nyamide like voice ne wo from mommy. I don't like the voice here.
Okay.
And everything.
So please let me give it to Madam. Okay, Meba. Please, why is your balloon still holding you? I'm interested in that conversation. No.
Yes.
Actually, I really like his confidence.
You like his confidence?
Like he's sincere, not like the other guy. Like he's calm. The way he's okay. The way he was talking and but his age actually makes me. I want to pump.
Oh, the age was too. Oh, why you pumping? The age is just a number now. Age is just a number.
Okay. But yeah, he's, let me just say, body height though.
You don't. How tall do you want your man?
Actually, like our Coco Vanilla.
You want your man like, see, you people who like your Coco Vanilla, but you people sack him away. All of you like your Coco Vanilla, but you sack him away.
No, I mean the height, like, yeah, but I love the, like, the
so the voice
slimness, like.
doesn't shake you a little bit?
But if I say I should rate him all together, like I will just give him like 9. 9 over 10.
Wow.
That's why he's the GOAT!
But still you want to pop your balloon, or you still want to hold it a little bit?
I'm still holding it.
You're still holding it. Okay, give it to Madam Brown. Let me ask her a question. Oh. Madam Brown, why did you take the balloon back?
Number one, the voice.
The voice is catching.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, tell me.
I love the voice. Oh my gosh, it's not only the voice. Though. I like his station, his body. Even though na English, I beg. The clothes, if like this one that I'm wearing, it's not like it's not that cost. It's okay now. It's okay for me.
It's okay
Me,
for
I'm
you.
a single, but I'm still searching.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's okay for you. That's why you're holding the balloon for him.
Yeah.
Okay, give it to this auntie. Let me ask her. Auntie, why did you take the balloon again?
I like the song that you sing.
So I sing for you. The one. That one. Nice. You are telling me. That's why you like him. Okay. So, sweetheart, these 3 ladies left. Yeah.
Before, can I say something?
Yes, please say something.
I want to go to
This man!
What's your name again?
I'm Ikea.
Ikea.
Yeah.
Ikea, you said something about it's nice buying something expensive for someone that you love.
Yes.
And me buying something 100 cedis and I say it's expensive. I bought it for myself.
No, look, I didn't say anything. I was like, so 100 cedis is expensive for you. That's what I said. I'm not saying, I didn't say anything. I was like, the 100 cedis is expensive for you.
I said that I am not capable.
But then you are able.
I am able to afford 100 cedis. I am able to afford.
That's why I didn't look down on you. That's why I didn't say anything, because the 100 cedis is expensive to you,
The
right?
fact that you said my jeans is faded, I don't know. Do you understand the meaning of faded?
Yeah, it's faded.
I can also say it's
No,
faded.
it's not fading. Please, there's
So
a
what
difference.
is it?
Camera, please, can you check? Can you compare? Can you do some quick comparison for me here? Look at your jeans.
What will you call this color?
Look at this.
What will you call this
And
color?
compare it to it.
No, what will you call this color? I'm just trying to say something.
Photo!
Cameraman, what will you call this? I want to ask everyone, what will you call this color?
It's
It's a color. You are saying faded jeans. Faded is a color.
And please, my jeans is quite expensive. It's even a gift. It's expensive.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Thank you. Like no hard feelings.
I'm
No
not-
hard
I'm not
feelings. But
getting
then,
hard feelings. I'm just
yes.
trying to-
But then please next time, you see sometimes when you're looking for love, you just had to look good so that, you know, is it looking good? Looking good is very important. Do you get it? So, you know, this is a hot show and you can't just look this cheap. I'm sorry, but I look this cheap and be here because
So I'm not
like,
looking, I'm not
like
looking good, but I'm
looking up
cheap.
to, he said he's an artist, right? That's it.
See this?
Love you, so you check the lips too. Okay.
Are you seeing this?
I'm
Are you guys seeing this? An artist's mouth can. I'm a human being.
Oh.
Get it?
Well, there, it's okay, fine. Let me do this. I'll come to you, sweetheart. Just give me 1 minute. So, with the ladies having their balloons, I want you to pop 2 out of the ladies having their balloons.
2.
Pop 2 out of it. 2 out of it.
Please, relax. Oh.
Yeah.
What if I don't want to pop? Wow.
You have to pop 2 out of it.
Please, relax.
Are you thinking about it?
Eh?
Are you thinking about it? You have to pause, like, pop. Which one?
Please, can I give one person a balloon? Like, I want to give one.
No, you can't again.
What if I exchange?
No.
I would have exchanged. Eh? I don't know what's the problem with this big chubby.
It's okay. You wait. You let him finish passing the balloon. Ow. Oh wow.
Please don't pop the balloon.
Hey, what in the
Okay. Please come and stand here. I said 2. Okay, let me ask now. Why did you pop her balloon? Why did you pop her balloon?
Really, nigga?
Why did you pop her balloon? Should I give you a hanky? But still, I want to know why didn't you now
I
pie
just
the
want to
balloon?
give one person balloon. I don't know why you are disallowing.
I'll give you the balloon, but I want you to answer my question first. I didn't you now pie balloon now?
Okay, first of all, the lady in the brown place, what's your name? Love.
Love, please take the mic.
Charlie, as a sweet boy like me, I need love.
Dissolve!
And you went to pop her balloon.
Just want to pop the balloon. I'm sorry. For me, it's not the like.
Why you don't like her
there.
dressing? You don't like her
No,
hair,
they are okay. She's okay.
She's okay.
Please don't speak for me. Don't speak for me.
Okay, then let me ask for her.
You can ask.
She's not your taste.
I will not say she's not my taste. Let me recap.
Relax and
Give
talk.
you a replay. I said I don't have.
You
those
don't have a
kind of
type,
tastes
okay.
and stuff. I go for anybody, whether tall, short, you're big, but I don't be big like. Yeah, don't be very big. Sure. So it's just not there.
It's just not there for her. Do you have something to tell
I
me?
love the fact that she said she loves my
Your voice.
You don't love it again.
You don't like it again. Just because of what he said, you don't like it again. Okay. Please give it to this auntie. Let me ask. Why did you still haven't said the reason why you opened the balloon?
She's very pretty.
She's pretty. She's nice.
She's slim.
She's slim.
Yeah.
Your type.
My type. Oh.
But
I have a lot of stress marks.
And you don't like it.
I like her though. We talk backstage, Charlie.
You talk backstage. Yeah, I want them to finish. Then I'll give it to you. Okay. So why did you just bust her balloon?
She's okay.
She's okay.
She's good. She's giving that kind of sexy vibe. Like she's sweet.
Now 10, give me 10. Aish.
She's hey.
He shock you.
She's okay. She's guy. She also has that swag. I love swag.
But why did you bust?
I'm a content creator. I like using swags in everything I do. She said the age. worry.
The age, that's why.
Yeah, but backstage we'll be friends.
This man!
Backstage you'll be friends. But let me ask, who do you want to give the balloon back to?
Mary Rockstar. Mary.
Mary? Mary.
It's
Mary, do you want the balloon
bring the
back?
balloon now. You know.
Wait. Let me ask Mary. Mary, do you want the balloon? Mary doesn't want the balloon. Why do you want to give Mary the? Okay,
It's not bad. Hey,
you want to say?
cheat.
Let her
You
say
can
something
cheat.
first.
You
Sweetheart,
can cheat.
say what you say after that. She'll say.
After clarifying everything he said here, to me, I know babies worry.
God have
So we
mercy
take him
upon
as a
us.
baby. Babies actually worry.
So I'll worry you.
You worry who? Who wants?
Why is there? Who is the baby over here? I'm 22, bro.
Want to be for balloon, brother? I'm not interested. I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
I'm not a baby.
Yes, that's why you're wearing 20 Ghana fit.
You yourself, you're a red banner. You're not a flag. You're a
same as you. Who put your banner pompel, billboard pompel.
Billboard.
Even you tie and die color crampel. No one is even interested. Even Jesus Christ.
Said in me like how can you tell
Auntie,
me
no one is interested. He should leave here before I get angry. Leave here.
If you like raise the word to your head.
Okay. Though actually, why I didn't pop my balloon, I want to say that now. It was like he's dressing like. I'm not talking about the material, but the way he dressed, like.
Is it because of the
band, everything, like, does up to my taste, you get. But actually,
the age.
Yes.
The age.
And besides, I want to caution him for something that he said. Actually, we girls will normally have this kind of some stretch mark or cream, some is natural. You get. So not every girl you see out there, some are cream and some are natural. You get. But I will use mine as example. Also, mine is natural. I was in Jesus one when I have mine. So and I'm 23. I'm 23 years old and mine. I still have mine.
You still have yours.
Yes, mine, no cream.
No cream.
Sure you get. So just mind the way you approach women with those such words, like use your words directly. Like I don't like you say I don't love this, like the way her skin is looking. You get. Sure you get. Use the right word.
Please, the balloon.
The balloon.
The balloon. What is wrong with this?
She said she's not interested.
No, I want to. Or I don't have the right to convince someone to.
Do you have anything to say? Please, no one has anything to say again. Okay.
Mary. You
know the carry anything they go as there, your mind go there.
Oh.
As she said. Auntie, why is it by it's like you are dashing someone something and the person is not interested? Why do you force? Leave it, go. Because the person sees you as a baby. Photo. As I said, I once said babies worry. Didn't I say it? So my sister, when you accept it, you'll be worried. Okay. Thank you.
All right. So
wait, please, can I say something? In the first place, I didn't say I'm going to worry her. I know the reason why I want to give her the balloon. And I know the reason why I want her to accept the balloon. You can't speak for someone. Charlie, keep quiet. Shut the fuck up.
Hello, gentleman.
Shut the F up. Shut the F up.
Hello, gentleman.
Is it your Charlie?
Hello, can I talk to you?
Please,
Okay.
excuse me, before you talk, I beg, like reduce your tone. You're sounding too high.
I'm sounding too because you were talking, so I had to raise my voice before you hear that I am calling
are you
you.
a siren?
This man!
Can you shut up for me Can you shut up for me to impart
I'm
something
talking,
in
you want to talk to me. How many people are we going to listen
I don't
to?
understand why all these guys coming here. It's like you, I don't know.
I'm not rude.
It's like today. Yes, it's like
I'm not being mannerless. I'm not being rude.
I'm just meeting uncivilized people today. You people are ruining my day. Can I talk to you? Can I educate you small? You said you're
educated.
You're educated.
I'm a student in the University of Ghana.
Anthony.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm educated.
All right.
I pay my own school fees.
You paid your own school fees.
I hustle myself.
Can you pay my school fees?
You can't come and say trash to me. You can't come and say trash
Hello.
to me. You get
Hello.
me?
Hello.
I'm a hustler. Charlie,
Hello.
I know
Hello.
they
Hello.
see anybody.
Hello. Let me come down to your level. You're on a big show like this. Why you say? Krasini.
That's because you don't deserve. You don't deserve my hand being at my back.
Let me tell you something. Wait.
You don't deserve that. You are trying to disrespect me. I'm a man. I can't take you home because you disrespect me always.
I don't listen.
Like, Charlie,
my mom didn't even raise me to come and take a guy like you. No. To come for somebody like you.
I'm coming.
These are the people.
You said something. I'm coming. Oh, please. What type of man do you want?
Okay, so my type of guy should be a tall guy, and somebody who respects, even though the ladies are throwing it to you back to back. But listen, as a traditional guy, even if a lady is, saying silly words at you, you don't even have to say something. Do you understand it? And it's a red flag for me because it's a no.
Okay, thank you. So there is no match, right? And then let's sing the song for you. Ona no ne wonam no ni wuko. Onya me dada na no ne wonam no ni wuko.